Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create charts in Looker Studio, step by step, beginner-friendly, and updated for 2026. If you have data but don't know how to turn it into charts that actually make sense, this guide will help a lot. First, open Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank report where we'll build our charts. Now, connect your data. Click Add Data at the top and choose a data source like Google Sheets, GA4, or another supported platform. Select your dataset and click Add to Report. Once the data loads, you're ready to start creating charts. To add your first chart, click Add a Chart in the top menu. You'll see different chart types like tables, scorecards, bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and more. Start with something simple, like a table or bar chart. When you place it on the report, Looker Studio automatically fills in fields for you. On the right panel, you'll see dimension and metric options. The dimension explains what you're measuring, like date, source, or category. And the metric is the number, like users, sales, or revenue. Try changing these fields and watch the chart update in real time. So, yeah, it's very interactive. Next, experiment with different chart types. Line charts are great for trends over time, bar charts are perfect for comparisons, and pie charts help show percentages. Choose the chart that best explains your data. Now customize the chart style. Click the Style tab to adjust colors, labels, and legends. Keep things clean and easy to read. Good charts focus on clarity, not decoration. Resize and align your charts so the layout looks organized. Add a text box for titles to explain what each chart shows. Finally, click View to preview your report and make sure everything looks right. And that's how to create charts in Looker Studio in 2026. Simple, flexible, and powerful. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the